The dead stock report lists all stock that has not sold since a specified date. It is recommended that this report is run on a regular basis to capture products that are not selling and potentially going out of date. From the Stock Manager module, navigate to the Reports menu, then Stock Reports, and select Dead Stock Report. Alternatively, click the Dead Stock icon. In the Dead Stock Report window, select a Sorted by option from the drop-down menu. In this demonstration, I want to run the report by department. To run the report for a specific range, enter the first and last product in the range in the From and To fields. To consider all products in the report, leave these fields as the default. In this demonstration, I only want to review the skincare department. The report will list all stock that has not sold since the cutoff date. This date defaults to today's date. Enter your chosen date in the cutoff date field. Exclude new product purchases since the cutoff date is checked by default. This will exclude any products that have been received on or after the cutoff date. Uncheck this option if you wish to include all products. Click OK to run the report. The dead stock report lists all products which have not sold since the specified cutoff date, including the product code, barcode, product name, stock on hand, costs, last sold quantity, and the date of last sale and date of last received. It is recommended that the products on this report are date checked. Where appropriate, you may wish to consider strategies to sell through this stock more quickly and reduce your stock holding of these products. To learn more about the stock reports available in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.